If your Samsung washing machine door locked unexpectedly and refuses to open, I understand how frustrating this can be. Luckily, in most cases, there are straightforward solutions that don't require a service call. Let's go over a few things. You can try to get that door open and restore your machine to working order. One of the primary reasons Samsung washing machine door locked itself is that the cycle might not be completely finished. Sometimes, even if it seems the machine has stopped, it may still be cooling down or draining water. Wait a few extra minutes and listen carefully for any final clicks or whirs. If it's truly done but still locked, try unplugging the machine for a few minutes. This can reset the machine's electronic components, and in many cases, the door will unlock once it's plugged back in. Another common cause for a Samsung washing machine door locked error is excess water in the drum. Washing machines have a safety mechanism to keep the door locked. If there's still water inside, preventing spills, check for water by gently pressing on the door. If it feels heavy, you can activate the emergency drain. Most Samsung models have a small access panel at the bottom front where you'll find a drain hose. Pull it out carefully and let the water drain into a container. Once the drum is empty, the door should unlock. Occasionally, the door lock mechanism itself can become stuck due to a minor electrical glitch or mechanical issue. In this case, manually releasing the lock can sometimes work. Inside the same lower access panel where you found the emergency drain, you may notice a small plastic lever or cord. Pulling this release mechanism should allow you to open the door safely. Be gentle, as forcing it can damage the door latch or the locking system, leading to costly repairs. If you've tried these steps and your Samsung washing machine door locked issue persists, it could be due to a faulty door latch or control board malfunction, both of which may need professional attention. Samsung machines are complex appliances, and in these cases, it's often best to call a technician who can diagnose and fix the problem efficiently. They can quickly identify any worn or broken parts, ensuring your washing machine returns to peak performance. Taking care of your washing machine with regular maintenance can help avoid future issues with the door locking. Keep the door latch area clean and check for any buildup of detergent or debris that might prevent it from closing and opening smoothly.